Hello everyone! I'm Naruedee Phothong, a student from the Faculty of Education at Naruedee University. Today, I'd like to share with you the idea of ELT activity for the class. It's called Tell Me a Story. Let's see how this activity works. So basically, Tell Me a Story has goals to help students develop their listening skills when they watch movies, and help them be able to tell the story to other people what they just watched by using indirect speech. Since it's about practicing English in their daily lives, I hope that this activity will help students have better attitude towards English. How about the materials that we need for this activity? 1. An iPad or a computer for teaching students. 2. A projector or a TV. This including the available on the audio so that we can play the video for students. 3. The question papers. There are 2 papers that we are going to use in this activity. The first one is for the listening skill activity, and the second one is for grammar and speaking skill activity. 4. The short video from the movie named Zootopia. Now, let's see the procedures for this activity. Step 1. Warm up. The teacher will ask students if they've ever watched the movie named Zootopia. If the student's excited to answer or to tell the story, that's a good sign. So, the teacher will tell them that they are going to learn something from this movie. Step 2, give them the paper. This is going to be the first paper. And there are the questions that the students have to watch from the movie and listen to the animals, what they are going to talk about carefully so that they can answer the questions. This can also make the students understand what is the content that they are going to tell to other people about their story. And for sure, this step helps students develop their listening skill. Step 3, play the video of the Zootopia. But this is only the shortcut and it has only 3 minutes. Step 4, ask them their answers and then explain to them what are the correct answers by replaying the video that has specific answers. Now, students already know the contents of the story that they are going to tell other people, right? So this is going to be step 5. Teach the students the indirect speech so that they can tell other people correctly in English. Step 6. After teaching them the indirect speech, the teacher will give them the second paper. And this paper also has the contents of the Zootopia in English. But the students have to circle correctly which is the correct form of indirect speech. Step 7. Divide students into teams. Each team has 3 or 4 students. Step 8. Explain to them that they have to discuss each other and circle the correct answer. Step 9. Step 9, we will ask their answers and then explain to them what is the correct answer in each question. And step 10, we will let all of them read aloud together of the story that already has the indirect speech form. So finally, after they finish this activity, the students will understand how to tell the story to other people in indirect speech form. If there's still time left, the teacher can do the extra activity by pairing students and letting them tell a story again to each other. While telling the story to their buddies, they can still read the paper as a practice. For the reference, I got inspiration from the 7th example of ELT activity that my professor taught in the class. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gives you an interesting information and useful information. Thank you.